By now you would have expected our real estate market to go up. It's been 3 years and the real estate market has not been like a traditional real estate market. When we had COVID, the market boomed, and then after COVID there was a hangover. And we're still in that hangover. But to top it off, we're experiencing new issues with the market. And so here's what's going on with the market, because people are like, Mark, what's going on with the market? And after 30 years of selling real estate, people seem to think I know. And so here, I'm going to share with you what I'm experiencing. So what's going on with the market? We've got an absence of investors. So no investors. It doesn't make sense for investors to buy. We are seeing large investors, institutional investors that are building large rental buildings, and that's going to be the norm. So traditionally, someone would buy their first home, pay down the mortgage, and then refinance that, buy an investment property, and then refinance that and buy another investment property. And that's traditionally what people like myself's done, people that are older than me have been doing, and that has completely stopped. There are very few people buying investment properties right now. And some of the reasons why is the return on your money isn't great. And the other reason is there's all these rent controls. And so people just don't want to deal with renters anymore. It's a headache. And so large institutional investors have come in and they've taken over that business. So people aren't looking to buy condos anymore for investment. So that's one thing that's going on. The other thing that's going on with investors is there's no foreign buyers. Foreign buyers are not allowed to buy. And so if we're not getting foreign buyers coming in, who's gonna buy these properties, right? So there's some big issues with that, and I personally feel that the government should let foreign buyers buy. It creates jobs, it creates incomes, and we need that right now. In 2008, when the financial crisis hit, Vancouver only had a down market for 3 months. And the reason why is because we had a lot of people moving here from China and they were stimulating the economy. So the next thing that's causing our market to slow down a little bit, we're not getting inventory, and that's from the boomers. So traditionally, the boomers have always been driving the market ever since the 70s when the boomers started buying and then upgrading and upgrading and upgrading. Well, now it's time for them to downsize, and they're simply staying put. And this has created a problem for families that are looking for larger homes. You know, there are families out there that are having kids and they need more space. And there's not a lot of good homes out there in this market. In fact, there's still multiple offers right now, even in this market right now, where prices in some areas are down 20%. In some areas, they haven't really gone down at all because there's such a demand for family housing. And we're going to see that half duplexes are very popular right now because they offer 3 bedrooms, a garage, and storage space. But there are people looking for houses. And there's just not a lot of good livable houses on the market right now. And anybody that's looking will be like, yeah, that's right. So Tide goes in, all the boats go in. And that's sort of what we're going to be seeing right now. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Have a great weekend.